what's done? Because for a lot of us, it's like, oh, that's beyond what we can do. But obviously, you're an athlete yourself, an incredible athlete. So does it mean something different when you watch him doing what he does?
Yeah, no, it's unbelievable what he does. It makes it look easy, but it's not easy at all. We just honour, be able to be in the same circuit as him, and what he's done for the sport and what he's done in general, just incredible.
And did you manage to ever see him race live? Because obviously you've been at events together. Have you ever got the chance to actually watch the race in person?
Yeah, I've seen him many times, and yeah, it's nice to see him, as always. He's always smiling, relaxed, always up for laugh, and at the same time, it wins.
Now, that's the interesting thing, isn't it? Because what this documentary shows is how important the commitment that you all exhibit and have to have for the sport, but also you do need to let your hair down, don't you? Tell us a bit about what that's like.
Yeah, it's really important as an athlete, you train hard, you enjoy it too, but not as crazy as Bolt.
He is crazy. So, I mean, obviously this is a behind-the-scenes look at a sporting icon. What are you hoping to see from this movie? What kind of sides of Usain Bolt that you might not have seen before, do you expect?
Yeah, I'm hoping to see like a bit more of him and AJ and the whole, it's not just about one person, it's about team behind you and get to know family, friends and all that stuff.
Great to see you.
Cool, thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, the brilliant Mr. Mo Farah!